it's me, Miss Sarah. It's a new week and a new sound. Are you ready to learn the new sound with me today? Let's go. Our new sound is the. What's the name of this letter? V. What's the name of this letter? Repeat. V. Okay, let's sing and do the action for our new sound, the. Are you ready? Drive six van round the village, drive six van round the village, drive six van round the village, the. Okay, so now we learned the action of the sound the. It's time to learn some vocabulary. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this? Who can tell me what is this? I know you know it. I can hear you saying it. Van. Van. Can you repeat after me? The van. Next. What is this? The doctor that takes care of animals. Vet. The vet. Can you repeat? Vet. Excellent. What picture is this? Vegetables. Vegetables. Can you repeat? The vegetables. Next. Can you tell me what is this? Violin. Violin. The violin. Well done. What picture is this? Vase. What picture is this? The vase. Next. What about this one? Can you guess? Volcano. The volcano. Can you repeat? Volcano. Well done. What about this one? Veil. Veil. The veil. Well done, three of us. This one. Vacuum. The vacuum. Can you repeat? Vacuum. What about this picture? Vulture. The vulture. Can you repeat? Vulture. Vulture. This one? Vest. The vest. Well done, 3FS. Now you know most of the words that start with the sound the.